ඉංග්‍රීසි සරල වාක්‍ය 50ක්. I made a mistake. මම වැරැද්දක් කළා. I made a mistake. I'll see you later. මම ඔබව පසුව හමු වෙන්නම්. I'll see you later. This food is not for you. මෙම ආහාරය ඔබ සඳහා නොවේ. This food is not for you. He can help me. ඔහුට මට උදව් කරන්න පුළුවන්. He can help me. What is that? මොකක්ද? What is that? I want to speak English very well. මට ඉතා හොඳින් ඉංග්‍රීසි කතා කිරීමට අවශ්‍යයි. I want to speak English very well. I will come back later. මම පසුව එන්නම්. I will come back later. Is that okay? ඒක හරිද? Is that okay? Which one is cheaper? කුමන එකද ලාභදායී වන්නේ? Which one is cheaper? It's delicious. ඒක රසවත්. It's delicious. Are you coming this evening? ඔයා අද හවස එනවද? Are you coming this evening? Can you repair this? ඔබට මේක අලුත් වැඩියා කරන්න පුළුවන්ද? Can you repair this? It's too late. එක ප්‍රමාද වැඩි. It's too late. Don't talk about it. ඒ ගැන කතා කරන්න එපා. Don't talk about it. Is this your book? මේක ඔබේ පොතද? Is this your book? Where do you work? ඔයා වැඩ කරන්නේ කොහෙද? Where do you work? It's over there. ඒක එතනින් ඉවරයි. It's over there. There are some books on the table. මේසය මත පොත් කිහිපයක් තිබේ. There are some books on the table. Open the window. ජනේලය අරින්න. Open the window. She is coming alone. ඇය තනියම එනවා. She is coming alone. He is a good person. ඔහු හොඳ පුද්ගලයෙක්. He is a good person. She says the truth. ඇය ඇත්ත කියයි. She says the truth. is your favorite actor? ඔබේ ප්‍රියතම නළුවා කවුද? Who is your favorite actor? I want to see her. මට ඇයව දකින්න ඕනේ. I want to see her. I like to get up early. මම වේලාසනින් නැගිටින්න කැමතියි. I like to get up early. Every day I get up at 6. සෑම දිනකම මම 6ට නැගිටිමි. Every day I get up at 6. What is she like? ඇය මොන වගේද? What is she like? I can't live without him. මට ඔහු නොමැතිව ජීවත් විය නොහැකි. I can't live without him. It is too big. එය ඉතා විශාලයි. It is too big. I am sad because of you. ඔබ නිසා මට දුකයි. I am sad because of you. She calls him all the time. ඇය ඔහුට නිතරම කතා කරයි. She calls him all the time. Are you free tonight? අද රෑ ඔබ නිදහස්ද? Are you free tonight? I know everything. මම හැමදේම දන්නවා. I know everything. They will come today. ඔවුන් අද පැමිණේවි. They will come today. I need to go home. මට ගෙදර යන්න ඕනේ. I need to go home. Is it cold outside? පිටත සීතලද? Is it cold outside? I am ready. මම සූදානම්. I am ready. What is it? එය කුමක්ද? What is it? Where do you live? ඔබ ජීවත් වන්නේ කොහෙද? Where do you live? A long time ago. බොහෝ කලකට පෙර. A long time ago. I am not afraid. මම බය නැහැ. I am not afraid. It's mine. එය මගේ. It's mine. Is it nearby? එය අසලද? Is it nearby? Do you know what this means? මේකේ තේරුම ඔයා දන්නවද? Do you know what this means? It's here. ඒක මෙතන. It's here. Which one is better? කොයි එකද වඩාත් හොඳ? Which one is better? Where do you want to go? ඔයාට යන්න ඕනේ කොහෙද? Where do you want to go? Did you go to school yesterday? ඔයා ඊයේ ඉස්කෝලේ ගියාද? Did you go to school yesterday? I don't have enough money. මට ප්‍රමාණවත් තරම් මුදල් නැහැ. I don't have enough money. He is a very good student. ඔහු ඉතා හොඳ ශිෂ්‍යයෙක්. He is a very good student. Thank you.